Good morning. How you doing? You gonna wave at me again? Yes. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Is that my pancake over there? Can I have a piece, Joshua? Yes. Oh, thank you so much. Tomorrow.
We're eating biscuits.
Oh, you making biscuit tomorrow?
Mm-hmm.
Good job.
Joshua, why in our family you think we're gonna?
I hate. I've been going for a couple of years.
We're gonna have biscuits for breakfast. It's gonna be homemade.
All right. Did your hair?
You told Jean that story?
Who did your hair?
The person holding the phone.
And who's holding the phone?
Dressing it was. I'll show you.
That's who's holding the phone. So proud. Ears. Where's the ears? If that's Mickey Mouse, where's the ears?
Like this.
Where's the ears?
Look at the ears.
Where's his ears?
Oh!
Is this his ears? Or is this his ears?
Hold on.
You gotta rearrange it again?
This is ears.
Okay.
Yeah,
It doesn't matter either way. I can tell. Good job,
What
Joshua.
they did.
What's that?
A triangle.
Oh, I do see the triangle. Inside.
It is. Okay. Triangle.
We don't have to do it. Yes, we are. You need to
Come on. I can see your hair.
Why are you looking like that?
Oh, yeah.
Miles.
You're the cutest little girl I've seen today. That thing. And then there's another picture that seemed like it could have been better to go right there.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm like, why y'all put the swamp there? And then Josh.
Is this what you wanted to do?
Yeah.
Joshua, let me see the lights you gonna put.
This is good. Let's see number 10. Go.
Is it gonna be easy?
Alright, so Jason, we gotta clean this up. I done painted everything. Again.
Okay.
Let's see number 10. Let's see number 10. It's open.
It's your what?
Oh, Amy is so good. What?
What else would you do? It's a painting.
Oh, maybe not.
What are you building?
Are you trying to build a bridge still?
Yeah.
Lift. Oh my. Yeah. So now the car has headlights. So I want to see it when you drive it and it has headlights. Okay. You got the first piece of the bridge.
No.
You got the first piece of the bridge in the book over there. We gonna get started. I did the plan and the design. Please, y'all, don't mess it up.
This bridge is going through so many phases.
What is this? It's bliss.
This is the 5th rendition.
Hey, it's new bliss.
You like it?
Yeah.
Keep building. You gotta keep stacking until you get all the cars on it.
Yep. It got to be a strong bridge.
This is parenting 101 right here.
Good job. Good job.
Let's all of them at the beginning. Let's just do all of them at the beginning.
It's so.
Oh boy.
Oh man, the baby was here.
We're going to let mommy walk on the bridge.
You got it.
Joshua. Wait, it's your turn. This is how you do it. Okay.
I missed it. How did it fall?
You like this?
If somebody don't mind. Joshua J loves it when it fall. Look at Chase.
Chase is like, man, that was actually gonna work. But if I make it tighter, This is not gonna make it tighter. Okay, stop
Problem
screaming.
solving 101. What can we do to fix it?
Alright, so this time.
But by presenting me with this bill, she reminded me of the fact that it's issued by the Treasury of the United States of America. And it's backed by the government and the people of the United States of America. Upon inspection of the article, you will see the words, in God.
Yes.
Oh, look at the two princesses. Yes, you are the littlest princess. She gonna lay that head there. You in the bed. She looking for her mom.
The
Look.
moment I pick her up.
Mhm.
Bomb. Bomb.
Ooh.
Amira. Amira. Who is that? Look. Who is that?
No
Kathy,
way.
come here so I can see your what's on your shirt. It looks so good.
I've seen that on Facebook.
I am black. I am black, woman, beautiful, magic, intelligent, resilient, love, innovative,
No, it says
powerful,
I am black.
influential, unapologetic. Okay,
It says
good.
I am black.
Now you can tell me, now that you all dressed and looking all cutified,
Yeah. I get what you. I know. I get what you're saying.
what do you think, oh my, about me cutting my locks?
Are you cutting them off or are you just trimming them? Shoulder length off.
It'll be a
Tell me,
ball.
what do you
That's
think
too
about
short.
that?
I think you should.
Who is Bob?
I knew she was gonna say that. Kathy,
Okay. Oh.
Kathy, I knew she was gonna say that.
He said, who is Bob?
What'd you say, Chase?
You don't get busy.
Serene, watch out. Watch out, Serene.
Should the fryer, should that be outside the porch?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
There may be room next to the grill.
Okay.
Alright.
My brother is doing so well till he drove himself to the Christmas Eve party. I think he thinks he's grown, but he did get a lot of rest today. He didn't join us for the day. He got some rest, and that is what is required. I love him for it.
I only saw the.
There's my boy! Hey! How are you? You what?
Hey, Uncle Ricky.
What express?
Oh, Thomas and his friends. Can you play with Thomas and his friends?
Yes, ma'am.
Mira. Hey, you look like a Christmas present all by yourself. Yes. Hi. Hi.
They going for it?
Yes.
Cowboys, stand up. Yeah.
Stand up.
Find out about it tomorrow. Service starting at 10. I forget to add double the flour.
Wait, so are you doing
Stirring it like
ginger
a
snap?
snap. They said it.
You best stop.
So are you like doing I'm doing the cookies now, and I'm gonna do the ginger snap. So let's have a say to something.
Happened?
He just dropped in the set. Wide open.
Who dropped it?
Number 20.
42.
What's his name?
Number 42. His name is.
Okay. What?
What's just here?
Act like you love each other. Okay, go right ahead. I love it.
Okay.
Joshua must be sleeping.
You see the pink in here? In the light? You see the little curl or like a shade of metallic in it? Yeah, I see that. But that's a unique pink just for this.
Right. You want to